Hello everyone, today in this video session we are going to study about different respiratory organs in various organisms. The organs that are involved in the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide are called respiratory organs. So we have the first one, lungs, which is the most common respiratory organs of higher vertebrates. So the lungs are the organ of respiration in reptiles, birds, and mammals, and they are the respiratory organs of amphibian as well, because amphibian like frog, when they are outside water, when they are in terrestrial environment, they breathe through lungs, and when they are inside water or when they are in hibernation, they breathe through skin. But when they are baby, like when they are in their larva form or larva stage, they breathe through gills. So we are here talking about lungs. So respiration through lungs is called pulmonary respiration. You can see the picture over here: lungs of mammal, that is man, lungs of bird, and lungs of crocodile, which falls in reptiles. There are the structure of lungs over here. You can imagine how they breathe through this tubular structure. Gills. Respiration through gills is called branchial respiration. Organisms that breathe through gills are tadpole larva of amphibian, that is larva of frog, and echinoderms, many annelids, fish, most crustacean, and molluscans. In fish, water flows in through mouth and water goes into gills, and then it comes out through the gill opening. Skin. Respiration through skin is called cutaneous respiration. Example are amphibian like a frog, some annelids like earthworms. So this amphibian is a multitasker. They, especially this frog, it breathes through skin, it breathes through lungs, it even breathes through gills. So it experiences every kind of breathing or respiration. Some arthropods like spider and scorpion, they also breathe through skin, but they mostly breathe through book lungs. Trachea and spiracles. You can see the picture over here of trachea. It is a tubular structure with branches and sub-branches, and at the anterior side of it there is an opening, or there is a round structure called spiracles. So the air enters through spiracles and then it goes to trachea and its branches and sub-branches and different parts of the body. Trachea is respiratory tract within insect body. Spiracles are respiratory opening found in trachea, which helps in exchange of gases. Insects like mosquito and cockroaches have trachea and spiracles for respiration. Parapodia. Parapodia is a lateral outgrowth of lateral appendages bearing bristles made of chitin called chitae. So they are the outcomes from the lateral body, and they are usually fleshy, paired, and unjointed. They help in locomotion as well as respiration. They are the organ of locomotion and respiration of marine polychaeta. Polychaeta is a class of phylum Annelida. So the Parapodia shown over here is of Nereis, which falls in phylum Annelida and class Polychaeta. They are usually marine. Book lungs. Book lungs are stuck plates with closed book pages in appearance, found in hardened pockets, generally in abdomen, of spider and scorpion. They are the most important respiratory organ of arachnids. Arachnids is a class of spider, scorpion, and some ticks and mites also breathe through book lungs. They have book lungs. Book gills. So there's a difference between book lungs and book gills, though they are found in arthropods, but book gills are found in marine arthropods like crabs, limulus, or horseshoe crab. So book gills, flap-like appendages seen to have their origin as modified legs. So they seem like modified legs, but they are gills. On the side of each appendages of marine arthropods, there are 100 thin page-like membrane appearing as book. You can see the picture over here. I have shown the book gills. They look like pages of book which are closed, but they are gills. And crabs and limulus, they breathe through this structure. General body surface. So the organisms like protozoa, porifera, salenterata, they they breathe through general body surface. Even some platyhelminths or flatworm, they also breathe through general body surface as their body is very moist for the exchange of gases. Corine and allantois. So corine is the outer membrane and lining of egg cell. You can see I have shown here corine, the outer membrane, and allantois are like extra embryonic membrane that removes wastage. So they are the respiratory organ of embryonic amniotes. So amniotes are the organs which have amnion in their embryonic stage. So reptiles, birds, and mammals fall in amniotes. They have corine and allantois. When they are in embryonic stage, they breathe through corine and allantois. Taste. Taste is a gelatinous or leathery protective covering made up of protein and cellulose-like structure. Taste is also known as tunica. They are found in eukaryotes and eukaryotes respire through taste or tunica. Cloacal respiration. The final respiration we have got is cloacal respiration, and it is very interesting kind of respiration because it is done by turtle. And when turtle they hibernate, their main source of oxygen is through bird. Like they get all the oxygen through their opening where they excrete. The marine turtles gets oxygen from water by moving the water over the body surface covered in blood vessels. So cloaca is a common chamber for intestinal as well as urinogenital discharge. So through that opening, turtle gets oxygen and they respire when they are hibernating and when they are inside the water because turtle are marine. Thank you so much.